Welcome back. Rising healthcare costs are putting pressure on patients, but a Utah company is revolutionizing how people pay for those costs.
Good for Utah's Tasmin Mahfouz is live at Snow Canyon State Park today as part of our road tour. And Tasmin explained to everyone exactly how this works.
Well, Pricing Healthcare is an online platform where you can actually see the prices online. Essentially, it's shopping around, and patients are actually finding much lower rates than what insurance companies would pay.
All right, you're going to get sleepy.
Undergoing a medical procedure can be unnerving and expensive.
No one knows what anything's going to cost. There's a third party paying the bill, negotiating rates, and it's all behind closed doors.
Founder and CEO of Pricing Healthcare, Randy Cox, was looking for a way to reduce medical bills, and he wanted to start with his own family.
I realized that there's no way to find out what anything costs, and the medical professionals typically don't know what their own procedures cost.
Cox developed an online marketplace for direct pay healthcare. It's called pricinghealthcare.com.
We encourage healthcare facilities to put together bundled cash pay prices, and we list those on our site.
Cash pay open system allows patients to see costs up front. Patients shop online for prices before their surgery. He says it's to create a transparency between the patient and the doctors, and it cuts out the middleman.
What you're doing is bypassing insurance to get a lower rate.
From x-rays to hip replacements, Cox says you pay less for a surgery when it's a direct cash payment.
The savings on those can be $10,000, $20,000, $50,000.
You're probably wondering, how is that possible?
It removes insurance and a lot of the overhead, the administrative costs, the bureaucracy, and returns healthcare to a patient-physician relationship.
You're going to do fine. We're going to take good care of you.
Pricing Healthcare works with medical facilities across the country. They pay to list prices online. The St. George Surgical Center has the only open cash pay system in Utah.
We go to the grocery store. We know the prices before we actually put them in our cart. We pull up to a gas station. We know what the cost is going to be. Why can't healthcare be the same thing? And we want to be on the cutting edge of that.
St. George Surgical Center has expanded their number of procedures from 70 to
200 procedures here in the next 2-3 weeks will probably be their biggest choice in terms of what we have to offer.
Hadlock proclaims it's a win-win situation for everyone with a 99% customer satisfaction rate.
We had a guy from California who was quoted $18,000 for a hernia surgery just for the hospital. Didn't include the surgeon or anesthesia. He found us online and our price is $2,750.
What our platform is a simplified way to finance healthcare.
It's the way the future is going, with higher deductibles, more out-of-pocket expenses for you and I. People are going to start shopping. They're going to demand it.
Now, Pricing Healthcare is giving away $3,000 to a patient who qualifies for a surgical procedure and wants it done before July 15th. Now, you definitely need to get that done at the St. George Surgical Center, and of course, a lot of you are probably interested. Visit our website at goodforutah.com to sign up and also to start price checking for surgical procedures. Reporting live from Snow Canyon State Park, Tasmin Mahfouz, Good for Utah.
Time now.